Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet some little chair socks so that you'll be able to keep your floors from getting scratched. So let's get started. To make these little chair leg socks, start with a foundation chain that will wrap around the leg quite tightly. Welcome to HECTANOOGA 1. If you find the videos too fast, you can slow them down by clicking on the gear icon below the video. And this will fit round or square leg. Use any size yarn and any size hook. And I started with a slip knot, and I chained 12. 1, 2, 3, and I wrapped that around the chair leg quite tightly. And then I'm going to slip stitch to join in the first stitch, and I was careful not to twist my chain. Now I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, I worked 1 single crochet in each stitch around at the end of the row, slip stitch to join, chain 1 and turn, single crochet in each stitch all the way around, so all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around at the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the first single crochet. Now you're going to repeat that row for as long as you want your little chair socks to be. Chain 1 and turn, single crochet in each stitch around, the end of the row, slip stitch to join. Okay, I've worked several rows, and when your chair socks are as long as you would like them to be, you're then going to start decreasing around the bottom. So I'm just going to chain 1, and I'm going to start decreasing. So to decrease with single crochet, insert through the next stitch and pull up a loop, insert through the next stitch and pull up another loop. And you'll have 3 loops on the hook, 1, 2, 3. Pick up the yarn and pull it through all 3. So you're going to do that until you have closed up the end of these little chair socks. So pull up a loop, pull up a loop in the next stitch, pull through all 3 loops. Fasten off, thread the yarn end into a needle, and just close up the bottom. Weave this back and forth into the finished work, and then just slide them onto the ends of your chair legs like that. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.